Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the stenotypist examination. The speed of this passage is 80 words per minute with fluctuation. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Before the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, a complaint alleging deficiency in service and product defect was listed for admission and consideration of interim relief full stop. The complainant submitted that a high-value electronic appliance purchased from the opposite party had malfunctioned repeatedly despite multiple repair attempts conducted under warranty full stop stanza. It was contended that failure to provide effective after sales service and refusal to replace the defective product constituted unfair trade practice and caused financial loss as well as mental harassment to the consumer. Full stop. Counsel for the opposite party opposed the complaint and argued that the product had been used in a manner inconsistent with manufacturer guidelines, leading to operational issues not covered under warranty terms. Full stop. It was further submitted that authorized service technicians had addressed reported problems promptly and that repeated complaints arose from improper installation and environmental factors beyond control of the manufacturer. Full stop. The Commission examined purchase invoices, warranty certificates, and service reports to understand chronology of events. Full stop. During evidence, the complainant described repeated service visits, prolonged downtime of the appliance, and inconvenience caused by failure to perform essential household functions. Full stop. Communication records, including emails and customer service logs, were produced to demonstrate attempts to resolve the issue amicably before initiating legal proceedings. Full stop. The complainant emphasized that representations made at the time of sale regarding product durability and reliability were misleading in light of repeated technical failures. Full stop. The opposite party examined service engineers who testified regarding inspection procedures and technical findings observed during repair attempts. Full stop. Engineers suggested that fluctuations in electrical supply and improper ventilation conditions may have contributed to recurring malfunctions. Full stop. Counsel for the complainant cross-examined witnesses regarding adequacy of repairs and questioned why replacement was not offered despite persistent defects. Full stop. The Commission noted that effectiveness of service interventions required careful evaluation through expert analysis. Full stop. An independent technical expert was appointed by the Commission to assess condition of the appliance and identify root causes of malfunction. Full stop. The expert conducted laboratory testing and submitted a detailed report concluding that certain internal components were effective due to manufacturing flaws. Full stop. The opposite party challenged conclusions and requested additional testing by another laboratory. Full stop stanza. The Commission allowed supplementary examination while emphasizing need for objective and scientifically sound evidence. Full stop. Arguments were advanced regarding scope of warranty obligations and whether consumer was entitled to replacement, refund, or compensation for inconvenience. Full stop. The complainant relied upon statutory provisions protecting consumers from defective goods and inadequate service. Full stop. The opposite party argued that warranty limited liability to repair rather than replacement and that consumer expectations exceeded contractual terms. Full stop. The Commission observed that statutory consumer protection principles could override restrictive contractual clauses where unfairness was established. Full stop. Evidence was also presented concerning marketing representations made through advertisements and promotional materials highlighting durability and superior performance of the product. Full stop. The complainant alleged that exaggerated claims induced purchase decisions and constituted misleading advertising. Full stop. The opposite party defended promotional content as general marketing statements rather than specific guarantees. Full stop. The Commission indicated that consumer perception and reasonable expectations formed important factors in assessing unfair trade practices. Full stop.